Hello everyone, welcome to Flying Skies 1. How are you all doing? This video is regarding the changing of network from Airtel to Jio, as how to port to enjoy Jio network services. If any of you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and watch this video till the end to know the complete port process, as how you got to go through it. Here we'll see you got to recharge Airtel with 129 rupees within 28 days of its validity. You have to send an SMS from your existing mobile number as port space 10-digit mobile number to 1900. Then you'll get an SMS from your existing mobile number as losing your outgoing facility and validity and recharge balance. You'll be getting an SMS here of UPC code. Its validity and time. Then you got to share with the store executive, Geo store executive, when you walk into Geo store to get a new SIM of Geo to enjoy the services of Geo. And here, most importantly, carry your original Aadhaar card as a proof of address to complete the port process, and you have to have one more mobile alternate number to share authentication code also. And Geo store executive will take your photo as a proof of identity. And here the authentication code will be sent to your mobile, and you got to share with the store executive to process your request of port. And this is valid only for 30 minutes. And recharge is compulsory with 129 rupees. This is the minimum recharge that you have to do with 199 rupees of lifetime membership of Jio. You will get the SMS of port request and number activation date and time. It would take 3 working days after successful validation. In case of other states like Jammu and Kashmir, northeast states, it would take 15 days. Now here you'll get an SMS as port request accepted, and it will be completed so and so date with time. But if you want to change or cancel port to enjoy Airtel services, then you can cancel by sending an SMS as cancel space to 1900. And here if you're a eSIM user, you got to download eSIM profile using QR code. Then the instructions would be given there as how to go through that eSIM process. I have given you the numbers that you got to call after inserting the SIM in your mobile to complete the tele-verification process. Only when your number is tele-verified, you can enjoy the Jio network services and the number would be activated. Here we see SIM is given in the kit with some stickers, Jio stickers. And the instructions also are given as what number you got to call to complete the tele-verification process. You have to switch off your phone and insert the SIM in the first slot if in case you're using dual SIM handset. Then go to phone settings and turn on the mobile data. Now I'm calling 1977. After calling, you'll be asked to choose your language. Whichever language you're comfortable, you can choose by entering that number. Then you have to enter PIN that is sent to your mobile number to complete the tele-verification process. After entering, you have to confirm the PIN, and Geo services would be activated in 10 minutes. You'll get a welcome note with the recharge details. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Flying Skies 1. Keep smiling.